Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you, good day to you, good evening, depending on your time zone. So I why am I laughing? Why am I laughing? Each time I remember this our brother, Asayogo, aka Ogechukwu Nkele, or Ogechukwu Nkele, aka Asayogo. Please, which one? Just take it, okay? Each time I listen to this guy, it makes me laugh. It makes me laugh because he cannot stop copying people. He can't stop. Everything about him is not originated from him. Like the way he tried to put his words, the way he positions himself, place his hands on the desk or the table or the podium while talking, the way he dress, everything about him is copy, 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 copy. I don't understand. Now, there's this a broadcaster from Nigeria who said, "Is Nigeria working for you?" He listened to that, boom. He want to address his group by using that statement, "Is Nigerian work for you?" And he could not even throw more light or more meaningful stuff to that statement. The guy started, flopping. Ogeba, Ogeba, Ogeba. And at the end of the day, you can see that he's just copying somebody. Just bring a video of Ojuku's speech, maybe in 1970s, 1967. Send it to him. After watching it, watch his next, video or speech. He will try all he can to make sure that he sounds like Ojuku. Then after few hours, send him a video of Mas Namadukano broadcast. Watch him talking or making speech again. You will still hear him trying to sound like Mas Namadukano and copying Mas Namadukano. A day or a few days later, send PM Samarepa's State of Nations broadcast or speech. Watch OGE NKERE next, the next video or next speech or next statement, whatever. You will see him trying to become Samarepa more than Samarepa could be. You see him trying to be the person without looking. He can copy stuff. He will copy body language. He will copy his, his accent. Sometimes he copies his, grammar, like how to arrange your grammar. He can copy anything. I want you to, but you know what? Let's start with the broadcaster that I talked about. Maybe you understand why I say why I'm saying what I'm saying. This lady here, many of you have watched her video. I want you to listen. Then after this, I will not play OGE NKERE video. Then you can now do the comparison for yourself.
I'm asking a very pertinent question. Is Nigeria working for you?
And listen.
Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired, knew the solutions to Boko Haram till he finally became president. He asked ex-President Jonathan to resign because of insecurity. He cried empathetically. He promised to end Boko Haram in 3 months. But now, he's telling us he's done his best to arm the military. Why isn't he resigning? Governor Fashola knew the solutions to provide the state power supply till he became Minister of Power, and darkness pervaded the land. After trying hard and giving excuses like he only plays the supervisory role, the ministry was assigned to someone else. Power grid, still they collapsed. The NSAS protests were tagged insurrection. In fact, someone said actually it was in then farmers were beheaded in Borno. Same person asked Aisha Yusuf to lead a protest. Aren't these people supposed to forbid hypocrisy? Is Nigeria working for any Nigerian today? From leaders hoarding food for the poor, receiving kickbacks from government contracts, to farmers needing permission to go to their farms. Is Nigeria working for you?
Very good question.
Why is Zamfara's gold for Zamfara and Niger Delta oil for Nigeria? Why is Isba destroying alcohol, but their state governments receive federal allocation from monies received via taxation, including tax on alcoholic beverages? Why are some federal roads abandoned to bandits and kidnappers? Who is in charge of Nigeria's security? The president is talking to us this time. Most times, he is shocked by the rest of us by the absence of good governance under him. Regardless of his campaign promises and the manifesto of his political party, Nigeria has rolled back in terms of development. From Naira continually losing its value to a recently launched locomotive train breaking down in the middle of nowhere. Nigeria has to be working for some people, though. The government can do no wrong. To this set of people, their money isn't being stolen, even if the money is being borrowed, leaving debts for their own children to pay in future. Even if the leaders don't choose public institutions, from sending their children to Ivy League schools abroad to getting medical treatment abroad, some people who have nothing and we need to donate money for their medical bills if they have a serious ailment, continue to hail the obvious lack of good governance till Nigeria happens to them. Then they get a little peace. May Nigeria never happen to you. Say amen. We deserve better than the political class who go home with millions monthly to represent people who can't even afford to feed themselves. I am Olajumoke Alaude James. Nigeria is not working for me. Is Nigeria working for you?
Now, this lady, before I move forward, to be honest with you, nobody is hearing from her anymore. I don't know where she is at the moment because she's too honest and too straight to the point that if Nigeria is meant to be a country, she will be in a very top position now. The kind of her own style of journalism is different from what we are seeing now. Maybe she's still around. Maybe they have corrupted her mind. Maybe they have relegated her back to backstage. They have dragged her to somewhere. I don't know. But this video should be trending, should be shared by Nigerians. But guess what? It doesn't matter to them. Only Biafrans are actually playing this video to remind ourselves of what is going on and to keep ourselves, well informed. Now, Nogengere probably had access to this video. Maybe he have access to it recently, or maybe somebody sent it to him that he said to use it as his own merchant. And I'm gonna play this video for you to hear. Watch what he said here. Because Sona Barbara just shared this video that I just played now, and maybe somebody sent the video to him, and after watching it, he decided to have make a speech, copying this message to every corner of his statement. Hear him.
We have a question to ask.
A question to ask. Now listen.
Especially those that identify themselves as Nigerian.
Legend.
If you identify yourself as in Nigeria, are you better off in Nigeria?
Okay, make a question.
Do you love the current situation in Nigeria? Is Nigeria working for
you? After listening to this lady's news or statement, he decided to use that. You see how he started? Dancing, staggering around. I have a question. Is Nigeria actually working for you? Are you better off? Ikego.
For my fellow citizens, Biafrans, it's time we exit of which we don't identify ourselves as Nigeria anymore. We are fighting to exit Nigeria. We'll do everything within our reach.
I caught a woman say,
we are not Nigeria. And for those who still be campaigning as Nigeria, ask yourself this question again. Is Nigeria working for you? Nigeria is not a country. Nigeria is built on faulty foundation by the British government, and it's not working. Millions of people have been massacred from 1967 to 1970. The genocidal war, the Nigerian terrorist state killed Biafrans in millions. While the North that have been killed today, and also the Middle Belt and the Southwest part of Nigeria, they all colluded. They fought the Biafran people and asked them today, is Nigeria working for them? The northern part of Nigeria is crying.
That is exactly what you know how to do. Unless if you don't know, you may not understand this message. But if you actually have watched him and pay keen attention to most of the things that he says and how he positions his words, you will understand what I'm trying to let you know here. That video of that lady asking, is Nigeria working for you, is actually what motivated him to dress up and start giving speech. Nothing more. That's why after making a few statements, he will still go back, is Nigeria working for you? He actually wants to present it as if he's the one that originated that question, without knowing that millions of people have watched the same video and we actually have access to it. Why
the Middle Belt crying? That means Nigeria is not working. We encourage the people of the Middle Belt to rise up, fight for their freedom. Southwest to do the Yoruba people. Rise up, fight for your freedom. Nigeria is not a country and will never be a country.
After a few minutes again, he will still ask you, is Nigeria working for you? Just to make it look like he's the one that made that statement. Everything he's saying and what is new thing from what you normally hear from him. That's it.
A former presidential candidate, the terrorist called P2B, he acknowledged that Nigeria breaks criminals, and he is also a criminal. Nigeria breeding. The former president and the vice president in the name of Goodluck Jonathan also acknowledged that Nigeria is not a country. The British people are trying to make it work, but it's not working because the people are different. People speak different language, different religion, different culture, different ideology. While the Biafrans from the east are practicing live and let live, and the northern part are using jihadists to Islamize them, to terrorize them. We are
so the form of government that you are practicing is live and let live and let. What is it? What does it call? Live and let live. Is that what it's called? The form of government that you are practicing in our place. The guy said that we are practicing live and let live. So there's a new form of government from OGE NKERE called live and let live form of government.
Please let's ask Nigeria this question. Where is the next place that we are found? Nigerian government. Where is the next place you will deploy your military terrorists that have colluded with the terrorist state, Islamic terrorists, to kill the innocent Biafran Christians, Nigerian Christians? Nigerian government, where is the next place to target? Where is that nothing? for years of one Nigeria, unity of Nigeria. How will Nigeria be united? Why the people are different? If Nigeria is such a great country, wonderful country, why do you think United States of America will issue a statement where they have citizens not to travel to some part of Nigeria, if not all Nigeria? Why do you think that United States of America will close the embassy in Abuja? Because Nigeria is collapsing. Nigeria is at risk of war. Nigeria is going down. Please, Biafrans, our freedom is in our hand.
Again.
Our freedom is now. And for the people of Middle Belt, rise up. Fight for your own country.
Two things are involved. One, to claim that he's the one that originated that statement. He want to put it as if he's the one that put it, made the statement first. And want to tell you that Nigeria collapsing and what is going on in Nigeria is his effort in America. He's the one getting it done. Achangia. Please, I don't need to further this video. I just want to share it with you because it's quite funny. Maybe if you're in that, I will present it more. You understand what I'm saying better, because many of you watch, you don't pay attention, or don't ask yourself, this guy is saying, where is he coming from? Remember when the issue of genocide, the guy, he's everything about genocide going on. Did you hear anything genocide here at all? No. That is how he wrote. Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. Don't get crazy. You can never stop. You copy a lot, everything, copy. Bring your own statement, originate one, and show it with us. Show it to us so we can share it for people to know that you have changed, but you can't change. Can you? Can't change. Please like the video. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.